In commemoration of the 188th death anniversary of Tirot Syiem, the Khasi Students' Union on Monday paid a rich floral tribute to honor the freedom fighters for his sacrifices at his life-size statue at Madan Yoringhep. The members of the HNYF, HITO and leaders of HNLC also joined with the KSU in paying their tribute to the Khasi freedom fighter. KSU President Lambok Stawel Marangar laid the wreath at the statue of Tirot Singh along with other pressure group leaders. Earlier, VPP legislator Adelbert Nongrum also pays a floral tribute at the same venue. Meanwhile, paying tribute to legendary freedom fighter of Meghalaya, hundreds of young mind youths of Ribhoi district form one social organization christened as Ribhoi People's Council with a motto of united progress ahead or Tililang in Turshaprang. The number of persons living in multi